August 1st, we step over here to my latest project. We can see just this gorgeous painting. A little inspection here, again to that old patch, and some of the surface here. Again, these spots. And if you look over here, there's some things that will have to be touched up, possibly there. And one thing that I did notice here is I believe that it looks like there's a second hand here. See that coloring there? That looks like it doesn't belong there. That light yellow brown. And again, too, the damage from the termites there. Seems to be a lot of places where it is hollowed out. So we're going to take care of everything. Just a beautiful day to work.